Welcome to this quick guide, where you'll learn how to change the link color in Klaviyo. If you've ever wanted to customize your email design and make sure your links stand out, you're in the right place. Customizing link colors is a great way to maintain brand consistency and make your emails more visually appealing. So, let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. To start, open your Klaviyo account and navigate to the email campaign or template where you'd like to change the link color. Once you've accessed the email, locate the text block that contains the link you want to modify. This is where all the magic happens. Click into that text block to get started. Now that you're inside the text block, the next step is to highlight the hyperlink text. To do this, click and drag your cursor across the text until it's fully selected. You'll notice that as soon as you highlight the text, a text formatting toolbar appears directly above it. This toolbar is your friend, filled with useful tools to help you style your text just the way you like it. Next, direct your attention to the text color icon on this toolbar. It's represented by the letter A with a colored line underneath it. This icon will allow you to customize your text color, including hyperlink colors. Go ahead and click on this icon to open up the color options. Once you've clicked on the text color icon, you'll see a palette of colors pop up. Here's where you can let your creativity shine. You have two options: either choose a color from the palette that matches your brand's aesthetics, or if you have a specific shade in mind, you can enter its hex code. A hex code is a 6-digit combination of numbers and letters used to represent colors exactly. If you're aiming for a precise match with your brand colors, using a hex code is the way to go. Now that you've selected your preferred color, take a moment to preview how it looks within your email. If you're happy with the way your link stands out against the rest of your text, you're all set. However, if you'd like to tweak it, you can always repeat the process to find the perfect hue. Remember, consistency is key. When changing link colors, make sure they align with your overall brand identity and are easy to read against your email's background. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures that your subscribers can easily interact with your links. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the link color in Klaviyo. Customizing your link colors can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your emails, helping you capture your audience's attention and guide them towards taking action. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your email campaigns. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!